Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log into your Life360 account on a new phone without losing your circles or settings. So let's get started. First of all, in new phone, download the Life360 application from the Play Store. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then if you have Android, go to the Play Store and search for the Life360 application. If you have iPhone, go to the App Store and search for it. Search for the Life360 application. After you have download the Life360 application, this is the application. As you can see, simply open the application. Now it will tell you to log in. Tap login, then enter the email or phone number and password associated with your Life360 account. If you used email before, make sure you to log in with that instead of phone number if needed. Now verify your account. After you have logged in, Life360 will send a verification code to your email or old phone number. If you check Gmail, they will give you the verification code to log into your account. Enter the code to verify your identity and confirm the login on the new devices. Then access the circles. Once logged in, all your existing circles, location sharing and setting will sync automatically. Now you can use Life360 on your new phone just like before. And that's it. You have successfully logged in to the Life360 on a new phone. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.